please like and subscribe to my dad's channel so we can have more viewers and subscribers.
Hi! In this video, we're going to import meshes, import textures and create material instances for them. Before importing geometry and textures, we need to create a couple of tools to automate few things. For that, we created Editor Asset Action Utility Blueprint. Here we have two functions. One is to set texture parameters, another to create material instances. Let's look how texture settings function works. Before anything else, let's clear our asset list, just in case. Then we loop through selected assets. And if it's a texture, we store it to local variable. Now let's set texture compression, set filter to nearest, and add current texture to the list of assets we want to save after loop complete. Here is how create material function works. We clear the list of materials we want to save in the future, loop through selected assets, and if it's a texture, store it to local variable. Now by using texture name and path, we can get material instance name and path to it. Next, here we check if material instance already exists. If no, we creating new material instance. Now from this dictionary, we read what kind of parent material we want for current material instance. Here, our parent material we want to use. It can be simple opaque, must double-sided, water, emissive, or glass. We add a string as a key to this dictionary, and the value is material what we want to use. So what it does is, if texture name contains this string, it will get material to be used as a parent for current material instance. Let's grab our folders with textures and drag and drop to Unreal. First thing you want to do after importing, save it. Now let's apply texture parameters, and we need to re-import and save again to see changes. Let's run the script that creates or updates material instances. Okay, yeah, we're done here. All textures imported and material instances created. Cool thing is that in case we need to update it or add more textures, just import, select all, and run those two scripts and save. Now then, material instances exist. We can import our geometry to Unreal. First, after import, we copy and paste a load settings from my reference mesh. I've set up load screen sizes before. Next, we need to set some mesh parameters. For some reason, Unreal 5.5 likes to keep generating light map UV and destroy normals in loads. So I have a script that fixes it. Last step is to set to use collision from our last loadee and set distance field size to be 0. We don't need it at the moment. You can always go back to Minecraft, adjust geometry, export, update Houdini and SD things, and re-import to Unreal. Material setup is pretty straightforward. We're multiplying base color by ambient occlusion and lightening the edges a bit using curvature map. We're also using that vertical mask we baked to add a little blend to grass color. Okay, so in next video I want to show how to set up PCG system and use level instances. Thank you for watching. And like Kid said, please like and subscribe.